We are all super busy right now, so I will get right to it. Crunchy on top, creamy and custardy on the bottom. This whole loaf baked French toast is a great make-ahead breakfast for Christmas morning. Here's how it's done. Start with 6 large eggs. Break those into a bowl. Whisk them until they're smooth. Add 2 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, half a cup of light brown sugar. Stir that all together until it's smooth. Take 1 whole loaf of sliced bread and make sure it fits into your loaf pan. You can use regular or cinnamon raisin. Butter the loaf pan, then stick the loaf of bread inside. Pour your custard over the bread, making sure to cover each slice so that it's coated. Press down gently to help soak up some of that custard and refrigerate overnight. Let's make the topping. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of flour, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, a big pinch of salt. Mix that all together. Take 1 stick of butter cut into pieces and work that into the mixture with your hands. Add 1 cup of chopped walnut. Mix that together with your hand and refrigerate overnight as well. In the morning, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Brush the top of your French toast with a tablespoon of melted butter. Then crumble that delicious crumb topping all over the top. You should be able to fit it all, but if you have a little bit left over, that's okay. Bake for about 30 minutes until it's golden and set. If you need to, you can cover the top with foil to keep the crumbs from burning. Use a wide spatula to cut this into slices. Top with maple syrup, sliced strawberries, cinnamon sugar, whatever you would like. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I'll see you soon. Bye.